Hey Unity devs, want to supercharge your Visual Studio Code workflow? Here are the best extensions for Unity development. First up, the Unity extension by Microsoft. It integrates VS Code with Unity, offering IntelliSense for C# scripts, Unity-specific code fixes, and seamless debugging for Unity Editor or standalone builds. A must-have for any Unity project. Next, C# Dev Kit. This powers up C# editing with AI-assisted code completion, a native test explorer, and a solution explorer for easy project navigation. Perfect for writing clean, efficient code. Debugger for Unity lets you set breakpoints, inspect variables, and debug your game directly in VS Code. It's lightweight and works across platforms, making bug hunting a breeze. Unity Code Snippets speeds up coding with pre-made snippets for common Unity functions like start, update, or on collision enter. Just type, select, and go. Finally, we have Unity Tools by Tobias Zarlez. This adds handy features like quick access to Unity documentation, folder organization commands, and more. It's a great time saver. That's it, guys. Install these extensions: Unity, C# Dev Kit, Debugger for Unity, Unity Code Snippets, and Unity Tools to level up your Unity dev game. Like and subscribe for more tips like this one, and happy coding.